Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crochet Pattern. I hope you all are enjoying the collection and the videos which I am sharing with you, and you are enjoying the life. So guys, once again I have really amazing collection with crochet patterns. These are the boxes which you can make with crochet. These box cover are looking really amazing and really stylish with beautiful color combination and patterns and the 3D flowers on them. I hope you will definitely love all the designs and pattern which are included in this video. As you can see, all the designs are really amazing. Really, all the designs are really amazing, and you will definitely enjoy watching this video and making these amazing designs for your house and for yourself. These boxes are also can be used as a jewelry box or any box, like you are just keeping yours, um, valuable tools on your dressing table. So you can use these kind of boxes, or you are just keeping something on the dining table. You can need some boxes, like if you are keeping side tables, dry fruits and anything, you can just keep it in these kind of boxes. They are really amazing, and you can enjoy using these boxes because they are really lovely in colors and with beautiful color combination and designs. And you can make these boxes to give any gift to your loved ones, because they can be used as a gift box, also a jewelry box, a makeup box. You can use it anywhere. They are really amazing, and you can see all the designs are really new and trendy. So guys, as you know that in crochet pattern there is no limit of designs and pattern. You can make so many things with crochet. If you want to make something for your house, any collection like clothing, beddings, blankets, or table runners, or the floor mats with the crochet, or any kind of curtains, anything for like decoration for the walls. There are so many things you can make with the crochet, and you can enjoy decorating your house with amazing designs and patterns. I hope you are already enjoying all the collections which I share with you on my channel. I have so many collection on the channel. You can take ideas for any kind of crochet projects from my channel, because there are hundreds and hundreds of ideas. You will definitely love all the designs and patterns which are included there. So guys, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I post any video, I make new video, you can get the chance to watch amazing designs on time, and you can use these amazing designs with your friend and share these friends with your friends, so that they can use these amazing ideas on time. And guys, thanks for giving amazing response to the videos and the channel, and thanks for sharing the video. Thanks for liking the videos. Keep sharing, keep liking, and keep giving your amazing response to the channel, your valuable time to the channel. Thanks a lot for that, and that really means a lot to me and really highly appreciated. So guys, as you can see that I am sharing these videos, and I bring these ideas to give you complete picture of the crochet, about the designs which are in and which are in trending, so that you can just get the new design ideas from my channel, and you are already enjoying the designs and patterns on the channel. I'll be making more videos in the future. Just let me know about your feedback and your views on the videos, that what kind of things you're liking, what kind of things you don't want to watch, so that I can know what kind of things my viewers want to watch. Whenever I make any video, I just keep in mind what kind of things should be added to the videos and what kind of things should be avoided. So let me just make amazing collection for you in coming weeks. Stick to my channel, wait for upcoming videos. You will definitely enjoy the collection which I will share with you. And guys, thanks for giving time to this video. Thanks for watching this video, because they all our designs are really amazing, and I hope you're enjoying the video, and you will definitely try to make these amazing boxes with crochet for yourself, or just to give as a gift to your loved ones. You can see designs are really amazing with 3D flowers and amazing patterns and designs and color combinations. So guys, as you can see, the video is full of patterns and design, so share this with your friends so that they can also use these amazing ideas if they are planning to make something with crochet, so that they can have idea what to make and what kind of things to start with. Colors are really tempting and bright, and with amazing 3D flowers and amazing stitches. You will definitely enjoy the whole collection. Watch the full video, you will be enjoying the collection which is included. I just gathered these kind of collection to just give you idea about the new style and fashions. I just make sure that you don't miss out any new designs which are new and in fashion. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, keep watching in the future also. And you'll be watching amazing designs and amazing patterns on my channel. Just stick to my channel, wait for upcoming videos, so that you can just enjoy all the collection and all the new designs which I will include in the video. And like this video, all will be really amazing with latest designs. So just stick to the channel, and thanks for giving your valuable time. Thanks a lot.